Holy it's raining. Welcome to Behind Bars, and today I'm gonna show you how to roll a bike frame instead. Not that bike. This one. The small one. My BMX one. So we're gonna be needing a few things for this how-to video. We need a paint stripper, some sandpapers, rust converter, and a clear coat spray paint. So when everything's ready, we'll start to strip the paint in this bad boy. So as you can see, this BMX frame has lots of paint chips, scratches, and even dents. And in some areas, it is even rusted. So we're going to clean and give this bad boy a makeover. So first, let's strip this paint using, of course, paint stripper. So pour it in an empty can of sardines. Doesn't work with any other cans though, just with empty can of sardines. So let's pour it in. What the f? And after leaving the frame outside to realize its mistake, now it's ready for the rust converter. After applying some rust converter onto the frame, it should look something like this. You know, back in the day I had a lot of training with this up and down stroke, so sanding this should be easy. And after suffocating myself for hours, this is what we got. I hope you enjoyed this how-to video, and if you did, please consider subscribing to support this channel. You can also leave a comment down below. Thanks, and see you on the next one. Ciao!